Alright, if you're brand new to Minecraft mods, let me break it down so you don't get lost. Step 1. Make sure you've got the Java edition for Minecraft. Mods don't work on Bedrock. Step 2. Download and install Forge or Fabric. These are the mod loaders. Just Google Minecraft Forge or Fabric installer, grab the latest version that matches your Minecraft and run the installer. Then launch the installer and press install client and press OK. Make sure the path to Minecraft is correct. Step 3. Go find your mods. Sites like CurseForge are the safest place to download them. Just make sure the mod version matches the Minecraft Forge Fabric version you're running. Pick the mod you want to download and then come here. You'll find to either install it via the app or you can press this drop down button and download the file manually. Next, once you've got the mod file, it'll be .jar. Drop it into your Minecraft mods folder. Quick way to find that is press Windows plus R and type %appdata% and press OK. Then find .minecraft. Go to the mods folders and paste the mod file here. Step 5. Launch Minecraft, but choose the Forge or Fabric profile you installed earlier. If everything's done right, the mods will load automatically. And that's it, you're modded up. Just keep in mind, the more mods you add, the more memory Minecraft needs. So don't go too crazy if your PC's mid-range. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.